Hello! Do you want to wash your car without getting any scratches? In this video I will show you the first tool you need. Today we're going to unbox the Kärcher K5 high pressure washer. This is ultra foam cleaner for washing your car, and we will unbox this later. Let's get started with the unboxing of the Kärcher K5. Kärcher K5 is a perfect tool to wash your car without getting any scratches. First you have the Kärcher K5 instruction manual. Hard, medium and soft. Medium is for the car, that's the most important thing for us. You have number 3, it's very hard, and you have a mix. Maybe you can use it for playing softball. If some of your friends is a little bit crazy, you can knock them in the head with this one. I think it can hold. It's a little bit heavy. Here you can turn it on and off. Here goes the water inlet. Here is the bottom piece. Then you have the long plastic things. You need to push them up here like this and like this. A little more, like this. Perfect. Now we have this front part. You can see this one has to go down here. Like this. Screws. One more here at the bottom. And the handle goes here at the top, like this. That's one of them. That is perfect. Now when you have to move your Kärcher, perfect. Here you have this net you have to set on. Goes here, over here, like this. Then you have the handle. It has to say click, like this. Now it's attached. Then you have this one. And turn. And now you're ready. Now we're going to unbox the Kärcher foam jet, also for washing your car. like this. Then you take your Kärcher, remove and insert like this. And now you can foam your car when you're going to wash it. Now you have the perfect tool to wash your car without getting any scratches at all. In my next video I will show you how to use the Kärcher K5 washing my Toyota Supra. I do not need this anymore, so this has to go.